Hi friends, today let's talk about what could be done when you lose your phone, and we are talking about Android smartphone only. We all have at least one smartphone and we love it. But when you lose your phone, you suddenly become sad. Apart from possible legal complications and fear of losing valuable information, you become restless and eventually it is only your lost phone that comes to your mind. Then you feel depressed and started to get lonely. You become a lot more angrier if your addiction level is high. The first thing you can think of is to search for the phone by ringing it. When you couldn't find it, you will probably go to the press and put an ad, and then go to the nearest police station and file a lost phone report. And of course, you can get a SIM replacement for your lost SIM card, but it doesn't solve the problem of stolen data and all your valuable information. So here's what you can do when you lose your phone. But first, you must back up your data and contact with Google Drive, and you must turn on your phone's location services so you can track your phone. To do that, you must go to the setting of your phone, then tap on Security and Location, then turn on the location services. I have already turned on mine. You can add additional security by locking your SIM card with SIM pin. So let's come to the main point. In case you lose your phone, open a web browser with internet connection. Google search for Find My Device and click on the first result. Enter your email, password and sign into your account. Once the page is loaded, it will look like this. You will see your phone listed here, and if you have more than one phone linked to your account, then choose the one that you lost. If there is no internet connection in your lost phone, you will find the location history here at the timeline, and you can find the last known location of your phone. If there is internet connection, you can view the current location of your phone by clicking on the refresh button here. Alternatively, you can ring your phone to the top volume level, even if it is in the silence mode for 5 minutes, by clicking on the play sound button here. Or you can display a full screen message on your lost phone by clicking here and writing your custom message. You can also add a phone number so that the finder can call you. Once you press the secure button, your phone will be locked and your message will be displayed on the screen. If there's no hope of finding the phone, you can also erase all the data in your phone by clicking on the erase device. So it was pretty easy.